This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by confirming the physical details. Identify whether your Impex Google TV uses USB-A or USB-C and locate the port. Once done, power the set-top off or set it to standby to reduce risk when connecting peripherals. Make sure your USB drive is formatted FAT32 or XFAT for compatibility. This avoids recognition errors. You'll also want a short, quality cable or adapter if the drive is bulky, because tight spaces can prevent a secure connection. Now plug the USB into the Impex Google TV's port, using a right-angle adapter if access is limited. A gentle push is enough, no force. Then power the device on and go to Settings, choose Storage and Reset, and open the USB storage entry to confirm detection. Select Mount or designate it for media use. The system may index files to build thumbnails and speed access. Allow that process to finish before launching apps, so playback and file browsing are smooth. Finish by opening your Files app or any media player to verify the USB drive's files play correctly. Test a video and a photo to confirm both video codecs and thumbnails load. When done, always unmount or safely eject from settings or the notification panel to prevent corruption. If the drive isn't recognized, try a different USB cable or adapter, reformat the drive to FAT32/XFAT on a computer, and power cycle the Impex TV. These steps resolve most connection faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.